If you are trying to update your Windows and are facing an error something like this and your Windows 10 or Windows 11 updates have failed to install, then try out these fixes to solve this issue. First is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter tool. Click on Windows Start menu, then click on Settings. In Settings page, click on Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot in the left panel. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update, then select Run the Troubleshooter. It will start detecting the problem that is preventing you from updating the Windows. Now restart your PC and check if your problem is fixed. For the next solution, open the Windows Start menu, type CMD and click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Here type sfc/scan now and hit enter. Once the scan has completed, the SFC scan tool should have fixed the faulty files. Now restart your computer and try updating the Windows. Next is Erase Software Distribution Log. Open File Explorer and click on This PC or My Computer. Now click on C drive. In C drive, click on Windows folder. Here scroll and locate Software Distribution folder and double click on it. And then delete everything from here. Now restart your computer and run Windows Update. For the last solution, press the Windows key plus R to open Run. Type services.msc and press enter. Services window will open. Here scroll and locate Windows Update. Double click on it. Here in startup type, make sure to select either automatic or automatic delete start. Click on apply and then OK. Once this is done, right click on Windows Update and select restart. After this, look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on it and select restart. After restarting these services, try running Windows Update again. So I hope with these solutions you will be able to fix Windows Update errors. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.